Hello and welcome to Tatsulok FB. Today I'm pretty excited to unbox a package from Blackriver, a fingerboard company that's well known in the whole fingerboarding community. Here's the package and let's open it now. I've been really wanting to try out these Blackriver products, specifically their decks and trucks. I heard high praises from fellow fingerboarders who use Blackriver as their main setup. And so when our local distributorship decided to do another BR drop, I went online and praying that I could buy some for myself. I'll cut the chase and let's open this box now. Oh, and I almost forgot. Blackriver is celebrating their 25th year anniversary. That's pretty cool. What's even way cooler is when you subscribe to the channel, like and share the video, and click the bell icon for more cool videos like this. I bought this BRT's 3.0 and a Blackriver deck in a matching purple color. We also have some stickers from Blackriver and Vector Fingerboard Shop. And let's not forget Vector FB's thank you note. So there you have it. These are my Vector and Blackriver haul. I hope you enjoyed hanging around, and I'll see you on my next video.